Ever wondered how to make the perfect beef steak at home? Well, today is your lucky day because we're going to divulge the secrets to creating a restaurant-quality steak right in your own kitchen. First things first, it's all about choosing the right cut of beef. Ribeye, sirloin, or filet mignon? Each has its own unique texture and flavor. For a tender and juicy steak, ribeye is a popular choice. If you prefer a leaner cut, a sirloin might be your best bet. Now, let's talk about seasoning. A well-seasoned steak can be the difference between a good meal and a memorable one. Generously salt and pepper both sides of the steak, and don't be shy about it. The seasoning brings out the rich flavors of the beef, and that's what makes a steak taste steaky. Next up, temperature is key. The steak should be at room temperature before it hits the pan. This ensures even cooking and helps achieve that perfect sear. Speaking of searing, a hot, heavy-bottomed pan is your best friend when it comes to cooking steak. Ensure the pan is smoking hot before you add the steak. This will give your steak that delicious caramelized crust. Now, the moment of truth, cooking the steak. For a medium-rare steak, cook each side for about 3 to 4 minutes. If you prefer your steak medium or well done, adjust the cooking time accordingly. Remember, patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to steak. Let the steak rest for a few minutes after cooking. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the steak, making every bite succulent and flavorful. To summarize, the perfect steak starts with choosing the right cut of beef. Season generously, ensure the steak and pan are at the right temperature, and cook to your preferred doneness. And don't forget to let it rest. Now, you have the knowledge to create a perfect restaurant-quality steak at home. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, impress your dinner guests, or just treat yourself to a delicious home-cooked steak. You deserve it. Enjoy.